Good morning. Hello there. We are at sea. So day 2 of our Disney cruise, and we have another cruise line over there. It's quite choppy today, as you can see. White horses, that's what they are, the white tip of the wave. Well, that's what we call them in Scotland anyway. Hence why Susan Boyle's got her song, named after white horses. So yeah, we're just about to head to Cabana's for some breakfast. So my battery died last night. I thought I was getting too much battery life out of this for one battery, so that's not bad. What, 3 days? But yeah, we're just going to get some breakfast, and we've got a load of stuff to do today, don't we? Yeah, pretty action-packed with quizzes, tours, shows and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go. I forgot to mention or report back about DVC. So they didn't give us any extra incentives like I thought they were going to, but this is the way. Basically we're getting the same offer as we're at Riviera already, and 150 points is just a bit much just now, I think. But we are seriously considering 100 points to get us started. So we'll see what the reasoning is, how we reason with it, how we justify it, and convert everything back into pounds and stuff. But I think we might be able to do 100 points. We shall see. Right, so you think this is a picture? Rosalind, go up to it. So this is part of the midship detective game. So we're going to give that a go on a port day because it's going to be absolutely mobbed today because we're at sea, because everyone will be doing it. So all the pictures do different things. So we've got Goofy. On you go, Rosalind. Don't go right up to it. Oh my god, you stand in front of it, not right up front of it. Goofy's having a snooze. Oh, Pluto as well. Oh, it's just the music. It's all the Disney feels, isn't it? So Rosalind's wearing what are we wearing today?
Minnie and Mickey jumper.
Let's focus.
Leggings and trainers because it's a little bit chilly.
It's a casual, it's cold, it's windy, and
Where am I going?
11! 11! That's a Scottish meme, like, it's when a lift has voice recognition, and apparently the lift doesn't understand our accent. 11! Freedom! And the Adams only area.
Sun's out.
Aye, the sun is out. I wouldn't say the guns are out yet. So that's like a massive hot tub. We were in a hot tub yesterday at the rainforest. What's it called? Rainforest?
Yeah, rainforest rooms.
Ah, yeah. Rainforest rooms. And that was lovely. Boiling. It was at least 40 degrees C. Because I know these things. Because we have a hot tub but we don't use. Another story for another time. So yeah, I know the kind of temperatures. I wonder what the film is today. Oh, Alice in Wonderland.
It's actually quite nice in that sun.
There's a nice heat to it. I'm surprised it's not as busy. Everyone must be at breakfast. Yeah. Let's go! So we're just walking on it. We're on deck 11. We have the juice stations that you pour yourself. A kind of paddle pool for the young kids. And here we are. Open sesame. Oh, I better wash my hands. So we've got all the food. On you go. So we've got all the food. There's so many stations, but they're all the same. So it goes all the way around as well. So I've got myself some Mickey waffles, a little pancake, and some bacon. But everyone's just spotless, it really is. Just a bit, I thought there'd be some Fanta or apple juice, but there's not, so let's slight disappointment. So we have an open house down at sorry, we've got an open house at Vibe on deck 5 forward, so we are aft on deck 11, so we're going to walk all the way down to the front and then probably get the stairs down to walk some of this food off. But yeah, it's looking like a great day, doesn't it? All the benches ready for the day. It's obviously, it's a sea day, so we're all on board and it's going to be busy. You've got the ice cream station, and this area is reserved for adults basically. And there's the Cove Cafe, which is a nice place to be, but I'll show you that another time if I haven't done so already. Open sesame. The carpets, the decor, the music. There's Ariel. Ariel, what are you going to say, Ariel?
So you do kind of need to go right up to them.
Oh.
I actually think this is just a picture.
Nah, that's a screen.
See?
Oh.
I have to go right up to her.
Little seahorses. Oh, yeah. Could have some more Little Mermaid theming as well. I haven't even seen the new film yet. I'm trying to see the new Little Mermaid film on board. It's playing a good few times, so might as well. And Guardians of the Galaxy 3. Need to see that. Where are we now?
8.
Deck 8. Oh, right outside our stateroom basically. I think all the carpets are different, aren't they? Maybe they're not. I'm sure the magic, they're all different. So we're on deck 5 just now. There's the wee pods to...
Hi.
Hiya. Oh my god, look at Rosin, we need one of them massive bean bags. I'll probably have to put some music over this. Another big massive screen. That's cool. It's a foosball table. Is that Mario Kart? Must be getting cleaned or something. That's a good space, isn't it? This is for tweens, isn't it? And again, more places to chill out. You can colour in as well. There's games, Uno, Connect 4. So I don't know how much you'll be able to hear me, but it's we're on the jogging deck. The jogging deck. That was an Anchorman reference. But yeah, look at the waves now. I don't even know where we are, apart from right underneath the tenders.
Oh yeah.
Next thing on the agenda is bingo pre-sales. Is that right, Rosalind?
Yes,
10:30 where?
Evolution.
So forward.
4 aft.
Aft. Deck 4 aft. So we're actually going in the correct direction. In fact, this is deck 4. Yeah, the jogging deck's deck 4, and we're right outside the district now. Just about. These are little kind of cubbies that you can sit in. Good time though, it's 10 to. We might be mobbed. So yeah, this is like kind of... Yes, I was just no smoking in this area. So yeah, quite nice, isn't it? Quite nice. Noise.
Yes.
This one's never really watched Brooklyn Nine-Nine, but she insists that I say noise, like they do in 9-9. Yeah, this is quite calm. Nice and warm actually as well, isn't it?
It is nice and warm up here.
So, we are going to play bingo. Little caveat, this was $80 for these 2 tablets and 2 of these each. to play along. But yeah, in the hopes of winning some big money that will hopefully pay for our next cruise or our DVC membership. If we win this, we're going to DVC, alright? No comment.
Who out there is ready for some bingo?
Whoop, whoop.
Very nice. Well, welcome on out to our second session of bingo. My name is ATM Andrew. That's right, as you may remember, giving you the cash the entire bingo cruise long as well. Now, today's a very special day of bingo. It's a mega raffle session. Card, wave it up in the air and say, old school.
Old school.
Yes, you have chosen the old school way of playing G47.
So,
it is time to close out this game.
Close.
Here's how it's going to go. I'm going to say bingo's going. You're all going to say once. I'm going to say bingo's going. You're all going to say twice. And I'm going to say, where's the bingo? Bingo's going. Twice. Bingo's going.
Twice.
Where's the bingo? Here. Out of here. In our two. Woo!
So they just shouted B11 and they're all dancing.
Let's see your dance moves. Again. 3.
No bingo.
3. All right.
No
so
bingo
let's start
yet.
with Ethan.
Keeping the faith.
UCG.
Keeping the faith.
I do. This in there too.
So I've just won a passport holder in the raffle. Your name appears on
If you want to win
the
this
projector there.
I want to hear you scream your name.
Come on, Ian! It won't be me.
Sarah. Last name is starting with a W.
She is awake and ready for the day. She's had her coffee. So that's $75 at the Centre Spa and the passport holder. There you go. So we didn't win any cash at the bingo. So we're on our way to the Buena Vista Theatre to get a free charm bracelet, apparently. It said free, complimentary. That's what we're doing, yeah? What are we doing then? Right, anyway, so we're on our way to the DVC chat. Yes, we know what's going on, but you get $50 cabin credit to your cabin account. They're just getting ready for it now. The D Lounge for DVC. And there's Maribella, who was dealing with us. So we just had our chat with EDC. We're teetering. We just came into Cabana's for some lunch. And I thought I'll give the chicken pot pie a shot. And steak and obviously the chicken tenders. And Rosin got some broccoli, chicken tenders and steak as well. Woo! Bingo round 2. Is that a face?
Yes, you deserve all that money as well.
Bingo round 2.
Now also comes our next rule. This is good.
So we're just finished bingo and we were one away from the jackpot. Not 3,000, but only like, what, 300, 600 odd dollars? I say only. But yeah, look at the weather now. It's glorious. Absolutely stunning. Just on the jogging deck again. So yeah, we're just going for a wander. What are we doing now?
Going to go to open house for the Oceaneer Club, so we've done the lab.
Okay.
And then I think that's all the open houses ticked off.
Okay. And we're just casually stalking Captain Mickey. Oh well, might as well wait in line for him, eh?
Just checking, make sure.
Yes, we've got to make sure
I see. Yes, please. Alright, is this a video first?
Alrighty. Hi there, friends. This is an amazing camera. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm taking the photos with the. You can take a photo.
Thank you so much, Captain Mickey. We've not seen you all trip, but thank you. Having a great time. Thank you so much for having us. Alright. So we've just finished the Golden Mickeys and spotted a hidden Mickey there. We're just finished at the Golden Mickeys. It is formal night, so everyone's looking a wee bit more dapper. Myself included. Especially my wife. you wearing tonight, darling?
Don't even know where I'm
My new Harris tweed jacket, pair of Nick's chinos, and a Nicky waistcoat. So we're just waiting about before we go to dinner, and the kind of golden Mickey's themed around the whole ship, like that, and the kind of golden Mickey statue right there. Get the red carpet. And now we are at dinner in the Royal Palace. That is a beast of a menu. And it's little tuxedos, because it's formal night, the napkins. This reminds me of the menu at Beauty and the Beast. The style. Yeah. Design, the colour scheme. I think this is quite similar to the menu we have at Beauty and the Beast. Is that really? So I've kind of just undressed the duck confit. And what did you get, Rosamunda? Potato and leek soup. So I went for the Chateaubriand. No thanks, Roland. I went for the Chateaubriand. So the Rosalind. I went for medium rare. So our dessert menu comes like this. No, not yet, Roland. Sorry, not yet. So we're in Evolution, waiting for the game show. Majority rules, and then afterwards it's match your mate. And Roslyn wants to play, and hopefully we get picked. We'll see what happens. Tonight's wee animal looks like a little bear. I'm going to say bear.